la ekuseni ngabo 7 ama-case wonke wangena bawa-attenda but le eyethu eyakamerisheni case.
Okokuqala ngiyabonga kuye wonke umuntu ozile apha wazokweseka umndeni wakaXolo. Siyabonga kakhulu ukubambisana kwenu.
Talaga mashinini wase face phone ya obulewe njengembuzi ya bulewe usibona njengoba sizinyanga asifuni ukuthi bathi abantu nababulele siyeza bese siyabageza amacala yaphela sizolwela leyo nto ke la kulomfana lo wakasibani sibiya lo umpilo ene bathu babakhe igedla si concern sizinyanga ukuthi ungumzali uvumela kanjani ukuthi umntana wakho abe na 4 yesidumbu mara still you don't report umntana wakho uyayibona wena uloku uyamgeza usho ukuthi uyakhondona kunani or sizothi nithwele angeke sazi but ngemiphefumulo yabantwana babantu but lento le abayenzile iyagcina namhlanje ngomashene uXolo iyagcina namhlanje sizinyanga zase Witbank asivumelani nalokukhohlakala akwenzile umfana nathi sithi stop ukubulala abantu ngoba bazobona ngathi nathi sisebenzisa amaphatho abantu asebenzisa amaphatho abantu sisebenzisa amaphatho ezilwane kuphela so sizolwela leyo nto leyo yiko sithi stop GBV kubi manje ngathi nala ecourt ngathi indaba yethu abayithathi serious njengoba bashizo bathi babakhe igedla ngathi icala lidliwa yinja mara ke alidliwe yinja kodwa ngeke lidliwe abantu amen.
Sanibonani phakathi wasemalahleni ninjani? Nkosiyami nisibona sigcwele siwumphakathi silinyalelwe sihanjelwe kakhulu sithi justice for Marshane. Umbulali ngithi asingamboni ngaphandle silimele kakhulu anginawo namazwi silimele siyabonga.
Sanibonani mphakathi njengoba nibona lana okhulumayo uJohn wakaKamanga ohlala endaweni yase phase 4 lana babulele khona usisi wethu sisi Marisheni wakaXolo njengoba nibona niyababona nawo umphakathi uphumile uzile uzosupporta ngale simo esibhekane naso sibantu basemalahleni sithi siyacela bobaba masekeleni ukubulala abantu besifazane mabe kunenkinga ekhona ku relationship siyacela ukuthi nihlukane kahle singabulalani beka namhlanje silana kubhlungu simncwabile siswethu but kubhlungu kithi sifuna ukuthi lento ifike umhlaba wonke ukuthi lento enzekile ayisiphathanga kahle so umphakathi ngaloko sithi siyacela ukuthi violence ukuthi ibe phansi siyasho ukuthi lo mfana namhlanje into ayenzile icourt siyacela ukuthi isebenzele igovernment isebenzele lo muntu agwetshwe lona because isiluzile once angaphuma lana futhi ke nina nayisupport lento ukuthi abantu besifazana babulawa yabona
Ukhulumayo hayi mina angisi happy ngalendlela le kuhendlelwa ngayo icase yakamerisheni sithi sifike la ekuseni ngabo 7 ama-case wonke wangena bawa-attenda but le eyethu eyakamerisheni case akucaci ukuthi kenzakalani from ekuseni bathi basalinde idocket till manje mangicheck-a isikhathi sekushaya u3 akucaci ukuthi kenzakalani so bahlala ngicela ukuthi sisukumeni kakhulu sisukumeleni le case le because serious akusimnandi ukuthi silahlekelwe ngathi kufe isilwane or ini cela ukuthi umphakathi sisukumeni sonke thank you.
All right 100 Spartans sanibingelela nonke babukeli emakhaya lapho sikhona phansi eWitbank emalahleni namhlanje silana eCBD ecourt ku-Magistrate Court sihamba nabo mama bayabhiyoza nangodwa omunye uhamba nabo sisinga bazochaza ke ukuthi namhlanje wayiba lana sisinga ngaphandle komusha isikhathi kunjani
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila sisi wami indaba nizela namhlanje nizokwenzani neumphakathi
Sumphakathi sizomarcha against i-GBV.
Yes.
As banibona, I'm from All Voices, sifayithela i-GBV and femicide.
Yes.
Yeah, kunomfana obulela intombazane girlfriend yakhe.
Yes.
Yeah, bathu impilo so size court asifuna athole ibail.
Alright.
Kahle kahle, yes. Yebo.
Okay, no siswami I know kuyazwakala isimo esibi kakhulu esisenzakele. Kodwa manje khona abanye abahlezi lapha abafowethu ekhaya abafuna ukwazi okay sebezwile ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Uba advisor uthini kulabo baba wasashaya abomama, kulabo mama wasashaya nabo baba nezingane kanjalo. Umlayezo mhlambe onayo namhlanje ngaba umuphi?
Okay, kabo baba ngithi siyacela bo baba can isiphathe njengabafazi.
Yes.
Niyeke usilimaza, niyeke ukusishaya.
Yes.
Because lento le manisishaya nisibulala nisishiya abantwana bethu emuva.
Yes.
It's not right. Umfazi mawasamfuni just leave. Niyekele in peace. Uthola umunye phambili.
Yes.
Yes, GBV is not right.
Yes.
Because uzogcina nawe usejele.
Yeah.
Udosa iminyaka which is nawe on your side akusinto enhle. Nani bomama siyekelana uprovoke abo baba.
Yes, yes.
Nani bomama niyenza i-GBV. Siyacela guys, let's fight against GBV.
Amen. Hayi cha siyabonga siswami sibonga kakhulu sisi uIngi. Umlayezo ucacile straight stop GBV ma-Afrika amahle siyanithanda nonke sicela ukuthi nani nisande trek usho kanjalo mama.
Yes.
All right sibonga kakhulu mama. 100 Spartans have a good day. All right 100 Spartans sanibingelela nonke babukeli emakhaya lapho sikhona phansi emalahleni namhlanje sise court eWitbank. As you can see emva kwethu kunabantu bayabhiyoza kodwa ngengenelele namhlanje sinayo umholi wethu lana ileader yethu uMr Aubrey uzobe uyachaza ukuthi yindaba abalana namhlanje bazofunana ema-court ngaphandle nje wokumosha isikhathi awuthi nginike ithuba sawubona mfowethu
Mpathi sawubona
greeting
kuyaphileka
thank you
greetings to all viewers
yes
yeah nikahle kodwa
I know impilo yona iyachubeka bhuti wami. Bhuti Aubrey man, sicela ukuthi uchaze nje njengeleader yethu ukuthi la emva kwethu kwenzakalani namhlanje yilaba nibe lana e-court ngeMonday kuzokushaya lesikhathi lokho nila from ekuseni.
Yeah no silana there's a guy wekwabulala umntana ka Babutlo laphana eWard 1.
Yes.
So now umphakathi uphumile. We are running behind this thing in terms of saying that gender-based violence is not supported.
Yes, yes.
We must make sure that we defend and protect our abantu besifazane bethu kakhulukazi nengane.
Yes.
So now if ungabona umntwana womama othile ubulawa umntwana womama othile.
Yes.
So now all we are saying is that let's stop GBV.
Yes.
Let's stop GBV. So now sizathe size lana asifuni nokuthi athole leyo bail nomfo akusumuntu ongahlala nomphakathi. Uyingozi emphakathini. So now you can ignore this thing. You'll find that lento efana nale izoyenzeka to one of your families. So now we need support. And we need everyone to rise and be able to voice out into ezifana lezi. Ngoba kwabanye iziyenzeka lezi zinto then sifaka ngaphansi kwecarpet. And abantu abacabanga ukuthi singa-report into efana lezi. Bese sibamba umlomo nasekwenzakala inhlekelele. So that's the main reason we here.
Ngiyathola bhuti wami. Kodwa bhuti omkhulu mangachaza kancane mhlambe ngokuya ngawe as a leader. Izimo ezifana nalezi zibangelwa yini? Because at the end of the day umuntu ophilayo lo wenza izinto ezinjengalezi zibangelwa yini?
No, yazi good question enzima kakhulu leyo. But above all for a person to do such an act there's pure meditation. Nokumisleadwa entweni eziningi. So now umuntu uyameditate. Even the Bible liyasho ukuthi by the abundance of your heart mouth speaketh.
Yes.
Angeke udle irayisheni ubhodle ikhabishi.
Yes.
So now umuntu uyabona ukuthi abantu abasobazindla ngalento kakhulukazi.
Yes.
So now all I can say sibantu abamnyama into esiyidingayo ukusupportana than ukuthi sidlane.
Yes.
Angeke sibulala nesodwa. Kumele sisupportane in everything that eyenzakala empilweni.
That's very true.
Yes.
Sithi kuyivala before siyivala Mr. Opie, one last question ukuthi mhlambe wena do you think or do you feel isandla somthetho si effective kule nhlobo yezigameko especially ku GBV? How effective is the Department of Police or something of Justice?
Yeah, I think it should be prioritized as it must be addressed as a strong campaign.
Yes.
Each and every time. Singa react.
Yes.
Whenever kwenzeka into eso. Bese kuba ngazuthi react. But isandla somthetho, more especially umthetho amaphoyisa they can bayakhona ukubamba umuntu.
Yes.
Bese nayifika ema-court.
Yes.
Babuye bazokutshela ukuthi akunabufakazi sobugcwele into ezifana nalezo.
Yes.
So now sizama ukuthi i-judiciary system,
yes,
it must equally treat such matters,
yes,
separate from the normal cases. One can say in South Africa we need to develop an entity that will deal with gender GBV.
Yes, that's what
once it's been dealt with in a very same in its own category,
yes,
it's going to assist our communities.
That's very
because
true.
At most, look now, we've been here since morning.
Yes.
This matter has been dealt with other matters.
Yes.
So now
yes,
the GBV must be
treated
as a special thing to minimize lezi zinto ezenzakalayo.
Hayi cha ushaye kwazwakala mhlonipheki, ushaye kwazwakala kakhulu. Angibonge kakhulu Mr. Opie. Siyathemba ababona nababukele emakhaya ukuthi iGBV wonke umuntu akayifuni bobaba nabomama asiphileni ngendlela yobuntu hayi ezilwane. Okugcina mhlambe word of the day but amsivala kanjani?
Word of the day is to say I refuse to arrive and not show up. So now anything you'll do empilweni,
yes,
zama ukuthi wenze in developing the entire community.
Yes.
In community ayingakhali ngawo.
Yes,
if you don't have a reason for living, you live in a prison of your life forever. Ungana sizathu sokuphila uzophila ejele lakho. So now uyayibona lento yenziwe lo mfo le uphila ejele lakhe yena
ayiwani
akana sizathu sokuphila. That's why I decided into embi
engafuneka emphakathini.
Yes, la on this one now obviously umuntu uyaziwa owenze lento,
yes,
kumele nje ajudgwe according to what he has done.
Injalo bhuti wami. Hayi nasibonge kakhulu Mr. Opie. Sibonge kakhulu bhuti wami. Thanks bhuti. 100 Spartans bafethu niyazi la sikhona khona hlezi kulithi. Asambi sihamba nama leader. Nawo abantu sihamba nabo. I hope nizwile umlayezo bafethu sinithanda nonke. Simsalute.
Ngiyabonga kuye wonke umuntu ozile apha wazokweseka umndeni wakaHlobo. Siyabonga kakhulu ukubambisana kwenu to all the political parties engizibonayo lana. Kuhle mawubona senibambisene ngalendlela. Siyabonga kwizangoma namakhosi athe eza namhlanje nomphakathi wonke uphelele nama leaders esingawabonanga amanye mhlawumbe dala siqalile MRM dala siqalile from ekseni sifikile lana yakhumbula kuyembeswa bafethu kula kuyembeswa angazi uthini kini but kunzima masilanga phakathi umfo ukhala ngokuthi uzinikisile yena emaphoyiseni uzinikisile emaphoyiseni cala u-adressa bese uzinikisile emaphoyiseni nakazinikisa emaphoyiseni bamchaje bakhala ngendaba ye-48 hours number 1. Number 2 ukhala ngokuthi amaphoyisa amshayile and he did a forced confession. Mangabe niyayibona lento ukuthi iyaphi direction yakhe niyayibona ngisho angifuni kusasa bese nithi niyayibona ukuthi manje basizela ngani ukuthi alifentontoni ngey 14 zakaMeyi uyabuya sila unayo nenye case ayizelayo yona nge-14 zakaMeyi i-assault lo muntu o-honest uzoba la nge-14 zakaMeyi ngicala ngale ndlela esinayo sibe more nalaba bebangafikanga ngicala kube-patient necourt court kuyadalwa yafika la ekuseni udle nabo ilunch uxoxe nabo futhi uhambe abantu abayaziyo esijwayele ukuhamba nabo i-court bayazi ukuthi banjani so injalo bafika yikho hlele the whole day for 3 minutes ukuthi bazositshela azocomplain umbhali complain ukuthi bakushayile baba from family azodlulisa nethu umlayezo ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu ngiyabonga amandla awethu
amandla awethu amandla awethu
nami
umphakathi ukhulu waseFacebook bodlo babonke bathi nginibonga ubaba uJJ siyamazi sonke nabantwana bakhe bathi bayabonga isupport abayitholile from and then ningalahli sisabuya futhi kahle hle lo mfana sazi angifuni ukukhuluma okuningi but okuningi sokukhuluma lela ngase bamkheba bamkhipha noma yenzane sibona thina
abamkhipha siyamcela
ngicela ukuthi nibambisane njengoba sibambisene kungabi nomunye okusasa donsela leyo donsela amen kumnandi ukuthi kwamanje ANC khona youth ANC khona umkhonto khona
mayebuyi khona ELF ELF
ninonke nangabe sihlale eFace Force sonke kungcono nibambisane njengoba zinjalo singathi lona we-EFF lona we-ANC lona one
siwumphakathi
ubaba uJJ uthi ngibonge kakhulu nginibonge ngalendlela
Sazomsupport
ngeke ngibe kakhulu so ngiyabonga